Marvin interior shade for sliding door. Stationary panel interior shade installation. Remove the header and sill guide tracks in front of the operator panel or interlocking stationary panel on a 3-wide unit. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the pocket cover. Remove the number 6 by 1/4 inch panhead screws in header track and sill guide track. Insert the stationary interior shade cartridge into the track. The pull bar will face towards the operator panel. Using a small Allen wrench, rotate the top and bottom 1/4 turn connectors to attach the fabric adapter to the jamb. Remove shrink wrap from cartridge. Remove the meeting style pocket cover. Fasten the terminal ring into the open screw hole on both header and sill guides. Reinstall the guide tracks into both header and sill. Check the operation of the shade. Operator panel interior shade installation. Insert the operator interior shade cartridge into the track. Using a small Allen wrench, attach the fabric adapter to the jamb by rotating it 1/4 turn on both the top and bottom of the cartridge. Remove the top section of shrink wrap. At the head jamb, insert the crimp into the cord tensioner as shown. Slide the tensioner into place. Fasten with a number 6 by 1 inch flathead screw. Remove the bottom section of shrink wrap. On the sill, insert the crimp into the cord tensioner and slide into place. Fasten with a number 6 by 1 inch flathead screw. Check the operation of the shade. Reinstall the covers.